Welcome to the nightcap. Tonight's better than average drink in less than average time will be the chocolate martini. So go ahead, share, smash that like button, get it out to your friends. We're gonna get this thing started. Simple drink, 2 ounces of Bailey's chocolate, 1 ounce of Kettle One vodka, ½ ounce of simple syrup. We'll shake it, we'll get it going, and we'll give it a little twist at the end. So first, like I said, 2 ounces of the Bailey's chocolate. We'll go ahead and measure that out, and then we'll pour it in the shaker. The shaker already has ice. Get this nice and cold. So 2 ounces down there. Then after we do those 2 ounces, like I said, we'll go 1 ounce of the Kettle One vodka, and that'll be poured down there. And then finally, already measured out, ½ ounce of simple syrup for a little more sweetness. So we'll get the cap on top of there and shake it up. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and put this in the chilled martini glass, but first, you thought that was it. Not the nightcap. I'm gonna garnish this with some Hershey's chocolate syrup. Now, pour it on top of there. And one last garnish before we call her done. Shave some chocolate on her. She's a beaut, Clark. Cheers.